Hello, and welcome to the Cycles Report for Sunday, September 22nd, 2024, sliding into Sunday. Our intense astrological wave will be slowing down, however, not until after Sunday. The first event is the Sun trine Pluto retrograde at 2:12 a.m. We are likely to feel the pull of biological urges as early as Saturday night. Enjoy the feelings, learn from them, and trust that all is in order. This symbolically is a false call heard regarding a secret business conference. It sounds like not attending the conference may have been the better outcome. Secondly, we have the moon moving from careful Taurus to mutable Gemini at 6:24 a.m. This marks a 2.5 day period of new ideas and opportunities. Be careful to discriminate and try not to commit to things you may regret later. Communication is highlighted normally, and even more so since we are still in the disseminating phase of sharing. Next, the Sun moves into Scorpio at 8:43 a.m. Our energy and identity is getting shifted towards diplomacy, peace, and harmony. We may find ourselves around loved ones and appreciating beauty for the next 30 days. Late in the day, Venus perfects square to Pluto retrograde at 5:14 p.m. Our interactions with others may be intense. Express yourself honestly, not a pass to be a jerk, then step back and allow others to discover their truth. Lastly, Venus enters Scorpio at 10:36 p.m., which is another big deal coloring the next 28-ish days. Scorpio is the sign Venus feels least confident existing in. This is a period of intense need for relationships. Be wary of secrets and be honest with your partner about innermost thoughts. The Sun speaks to responsibility and a higher call to duty. We are reminded that when an individual has found his or her calling and knows where his loyalty lies and what to do to get where he wants to go, we should not put off for tomorrow what should be done today. The Earth points to the same energy, reminding us to have the courage to live our ideals.